China Productivity Center, CPC, is committed to boosting the competitiveness of ROC's industries. It is the earliest and largest management consulting organization in the ROC. Today, in the 21st century, facing the dual challenges of digital transformation and sustainable development, CPC established the Smartization and Decarbonization Learning and Growth Base at its central regional office, supporting enterprises in advancing sustainability and transformation. This is not only a cradle for enterprise learning and growth. With solid training capabilities, it serves as the best partner for enterprises to face the future and achieve sustainability. The base is located in Taichung Industrial Park. The first floor houses offices and the Shulin Shuhai bookstore. The second and third floors serve as enterprise learning spaces. The large lecture hall on the third floor is designed for academic exchanges. To provide trainees with a safe and comfortable learning environment, the base has passed fire safety inspections to ensure peace of mind for every trainee. It also offers free parking, clean and comfortable restrooms, and well-equipped facilities like a smart coffee bar, offering trainees a quality learning space. CPC's mission is to be the most trusted and valuable management consulting organization for enterprises. For years, we have served as a reliable partner in enterprise growth and transformation. Through publishing management books and competency magazines and offering diverse public courses and in-house training, CPC introduces new concepts and technologies to enterprises. In response to the trends of digital transformation and sustainable development, CPC has designed diversified courses on smartization and decarbonization. With CPC's outstanding team of consultants, it helps enterprises build sustainable competitiveness in a rapidly changing market. It has developed many outstanding talents for enterprises worldwide. CPC includes bilingual signs and smart information boards, multimedia classrooms, and flexible spaces to meet the needs of SME training and international courses, creating a truly learner-centered, world-class learning environment. Amid the wave of digital transformation, this is not just a platform for sharing knowledge, it is also a space for practical technology applications. Through the Smart Manufacturing Experience BA, the features of SMEs are simulated based on machining and assembly operations. Using Toyota's pull system, a smart manufacturing production scenario is created. Materials are automatically replenished when stock runs low. If work-in-process inventory is low, production is triggered. This reduces inventory, decreases tied-up capital, and improves overall operational efficiency. The base integrates AI, big data, AOI image recognition, SCADA, sensors, and other technologies. Through interactive learning, trainees learn by doing, develop integration and problem-solving skills, learn how to integrate smart manufacturing technologies with hardware and software, and apply them on real production lines. Meanwhile, the base has several smart manufacturing classrooms. It covers core technologies, including AI, big data analytics, IoT, smart sensing, and automation, enabling trainees to master smart technologies through hands-on practice and create a system integration training space. Learn how to apply smart manufacturing technologies on real production lines. Gain practical experience to tackle future challenges. On the path to developing smart talents, CPC integrates data analysis, manufacturing, business management, and sustainability, designing a series of courses. These courses combine IoT, AI, and big data, building a smart manufacturing learning platform that helps industries embrace digital transformation and accelerate smart manufacturing development. To accelerate international integration, the base brings together leaders in smart manufacturing to foster strategic cooperation between international leaders and domestic benchmark enterprises. In 2020, we co-founded the Digital Transformation and Smart Manufacturing Service Platform with Schneider Electric, Banner, and CADEX, creating an environment for exchange, verification, promoting deep integration of industrial digitization and technology. We guide organizations toward transformation and innovation, offering courses covering foundational knowledge, professional skills, and practical experience. tailoring growth plans for businesses of all sizes and industries. The base implements a learning and growth practical field integrated service system, a Trinity model tailor-made courses to cultivate talent in digital transformation and smart manufacturing. Amid the wave of net zero carbon, CPC established the ESG New Business Development Committee in 2022, building on its ISO 9001 quality and ISO 27001 information security certifications. It became the first domestic management consulting firm certified in ISO 14001 and ISO 45001, obtaining dual environmental and occupational safety certifications. To help companies track energy use and carbon emissions and align with international standards, CPC follows ISO 17029, 14065, 14066, and 14064-3, establishing a verification office that provides reasonable, fair, and consistent professional services to ROC enterprises, helping companies applying for voluntary Ministry of Environment or Financial Supervisory Commission programs to obtain third-party verification and align with global trends. Energy management is more than cost reduction. It is also key to enhancing sustainability. Forward-looking layout of the base. In 2024, a smart energy management system was implemented at the Central Regional Office, combining IoT and data analytics for real-time energy monitoring. This enables fast decision-making, allows precise energy saving, and optimized management, effectively reducing greenhouse gas emissions, helping businesses build a strong foundation for a net zero future. The base is also an ESG talent training center recognized by the Ministry of Labor, covering environmental, E, social, S, and governance, G, aspects, building a green talent platform. The establishment of the Institute for Sustainable Development, tailored for manufacturing and service industries, offers programs on ESG rules, reporting, carbon management, and strategy. Combining theory and cases, it helps participants turn sustainability into action, driving green transformation and guiding businesses towards sustainability. In promoting ESG beyond carbon reduction, occupational health and safety are as important as carbon reduction. The base develops in line with national policies. Using AI and VR simulation systems, trainees can safely operate hazardous machinery, creating a safer and smarter learning experience. Looking ahead, CPC's drive is to be the most trusted consulting firm for global enterprises, with expertise in local revitalization, productivity again, cross-sector integration, digital transformation, innovation R&D, learning and growth. Enterprises must understand their current state before moving towards smart transformation. CPC designed its own digital transformation maturity assessment and the Industry 4.0 iBench Productivity Reengineering Maturity Assessment to help enterprises plan precise upgrade paths. On the path toward green transformation, CPC developed the GHG CCS Carbon Inventory System, offering forms and charts to help businesses track past and current carbon emissions, enabling companies to conduct carbon audits and plan reductions accurately, working together with industry to move towards the vision of net zero carbon emissions and jointly create a green and sustainable future. ROC is the only APO member belonging to both the Centers of Excellence on Green Productivity and Smart Manufacturing. This affirms the nation's industrial strength and highlights the base's dual advantages in sustainability and smart transformation, supporting the Asia-Pacific region in green innovation, smart manufacturing, and digital transformation, collaborating with all sectors to drive industrial upgrading. In 2013, CPC secured the APO Center of Excellence on Green Productivity. This is the first time since ROC joined APO to have an international platform focused on green productivity, symbolizing the ROC's leadership in sustainability. Through green technology promotion and international exchange, APO members engage in workshops, seminars, and observation visits, helping member countries develop low-carbon industries and green cities. With the rise of Industry 4.0, CPC once again successfully secured the establishment of the APO Center of Excellence on smart manufacturing in ROC. This center supports Asia-Pacific countries in exploring best practices in smart technologies and automation, enhancing productivity and added value, driving true digital transformation. From smart technology to decarbonization development, from talent training to international cooperation, CPCs has earned multiple recognitions at home and abroad, continuously leading the ROC toward a sustainable future. In international awards, CPC's Chairman and General Manager received the APO Regional Award in 2021 and 2024. The award recognizes members demonstrating strategy, leadership, and management for outstanding contributions to productivity in the Asia-Pacific region. To strengthen human capital, the base continues to improve learning environments for enterprises. Since winning the first National Training Quality Award in 2011, we have upheld the TTQS spirit and earned the Gold Medal Award for training institutions every year, committed to enhancing the quality and global competitiveness of ROC's industrial talent. Following GRI and SASB standards, we were the first to compile a sustainability report, audited and verified by certified accountants. In 2024, CPC won the Gold Award and the Talent Development Leadership Award at the TCSA Taiwan Corporate Sustainability Awards, demonstrating excellence in sustainability and talent development. CPC Smartization and Decarbonization Learning and Growth Base demonstrates excellence in sustainability and talent development, helping industries align with global standards, becoming the most trusted partner in the industry, together creating a future that balances digitalization and sustainability.